Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm black and white film. I processed myself, of course. Well, I have this image and also I have pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, since this is black and white image, I got color rights first and make it something interesting illustration type image from this too. Well, let's get started. Okay, now I'm at layer for color and I'm going to change blend mode to color. Yep. And pin it on here. Now I'm going to use, I don't need any texture now. So I'm going to use medium blend. This is airbrushing to medium blend. Yeah. Now, since this is so long time ago, I don't even remember the color of anything. I just know her skin tone. That's everybody knows, flesh. Well, yeah, nice healthy skin tone first. Go for a rough paint overall first. Now overall, well, a little bit touch up. Well, this is color base. Blend mode is color. Now looks like this. But once you bring this one back to other layer, blend mode goes like that. Wow, that's interesting, isn't it? This is the normal paint. Wow. Well, overlay is nice though. Nice saddle tone. But let me see. Let me touch up some more. But well, I guess pretty much now for colorize. Now I want to make one layer as the base image, so I'm going to select both, make group, then duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Now turn it off, this base group. Then I'm going to work on this one base image with this pencil drawing type image. Well, let's see, change to blend mode, luminosity, real shadow colors. Nice, pastel. Well, I want to make this one as an illustration. So, okay, now again, I'm going to select both pencil drawing type and this color, luminosity image, select both, make group, then duplicate this group, new one, then flatten this image. Now this is the base image. Then I'm gonna move, well, get out of this group, move these two out of group, and then I'm gonna delete this group. Now I'm going to change this pencil drawing type image, blend mode, change back to normal. Then this is base image, so I'm going to move this one down to this original, well, it's not original, colorized image. Now I'm going to turn this pencil drawing image, turn it off. Now we are looking at this colorized image now, right? Now I'm going to make mask, then invert mask. Now we are looking at base image of the luminosity effect layer. Now I'm going to reveal this layer with sketching to bonobo chalk. Well, use two different brushes. Drawing to evolve. Now I want to add one more layer or color. Okay. Now about this pencil drawing type image. Let's see. Well, not much interesting. Just leave it normal, then turn it off. I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to add another layer for white border, hide these black lines with bonobo chalk. Well, about this much for white border. Well, maybe I can move this color layer, move up. So we're gonna see the colors outside too. Maybe that's nicer. Maybe pick some green or chalk. Well, this is it. Kind of illustration, nice feeling, real light image. Well, I kind of like this. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. This time I made colorize some black and white image, then change blend mode to color or luminosity to fix the new image and make some shadow color pastel. Then this is a white border outside, and this is mask. This is a base image, but I masked this much. Here's, then this is the base image, this one. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.